Hey, it's Adri here with the second part of the modeling tutorial. As you can see, this is the updated model. As you can see, there are a lot of details here that I'm going to show you how to do to apply to your different designs. So let's jump into it. For the laces, we just need to do a Control-Shift-A, and create a bezier. And with this, we just need to move it to the top so we can see it. Yeah. And now we're going to apply a mirror modifier, so it's easy to get this shape, these curves. And we just need to start clicking on the different points, rotating them to get this infinite loop of the different, that's it, the different laces. Super easy to do and super fast, so you can get the different laces in minutes, as you can see. Just E to extrude, R to rotate, and we can press S to escalate the different anchor points and make it more sharpy or rounded. Now we're going to the curve menu and add some thickness, and that's it. Okay, so for the frontal strip, I'm going to create a plane with Shift-A plane, edit mode, and start with the E extruding it. After this, I'm going to apply a subdivision modifier, add an edge loop with Control R, and then apply a solidify. Okay, we can get different results depending on how we use the modifiers. If you use the solidify before the subdivision, you're going to get a rounded geometry, and if you apply the solidify after that, you're going to get sharpy edges. So now, with another Control R, on the left and right, we're going to shift with the 2, click on the different edges. And now Control V, so we can get an interior line between the two. And move it a bit to the back. Okay, so you can get these different results. Super easy to do. For the holes, what we need to do to get a clean geometry with holes is, in this case, I'm going to press 1, click on one point, and Shift Control B. Then right click, loop tools, and circle. After this, I'm going to rotate it a bit, and I'm going to use the eye to insert the faces to avoid this strange result on the geometry. As you can see, this is perfect, a perfect hole. Okay, we can delete these different edges so it's cleaner. Okay, dissolve edges, perfect. Now we're going to add some details to our outsole, in this case using the tissue tools. So I'm going to add an icosphere, I'm going to edit it a bit, and after this I will use the tessellation to create a different outsole that you will see that it's super cool. Okay, it's edited, and now we just need to use the tessellation. Go into the menu with M, go to tessellate, click on the geometry and the object that we just created and applied it. And as you can see, the result is awesome. Something that you can get with a bump or you can get with displacement. And I think that this will add a lot of realism and a lot of super cool results to your modeling. To activate this add-on, these tissue tools, we just need to go to the add-ons tab and search for tissue and activate it. Finally, we can adjust little details to our model with Control R, Control V, using the scale to different edges torso. That with some lighting is going to be awesome. And we can use the I that I showed you before to insert the faces, and E to extrude a bit, and S to escalate. So we get this like a bubble or a puffy result. Super cool. And for the inner part of our upper, we just need to duplicate the parts or the faces that we need to use. So Shift D, P to separate. And after that, we just need to apply a different value to our solidify and get this inner puffy part.